వెల్కమ్ టు హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఇప్పటి వరకు మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఆంధ్ర మరియు తెలంగాణలో నెంబర్ 1 ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులు అందిస్తున్నటువంటి సంస్థ హర్షిత్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. అందిస్తున్న కోర్సులు గ్రూప్ 1, 2, 3, 4, ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్, ఆర్ఆర్బి. మరిన్ని వివరాలకు వెబ్సైట్ని సందర్శించండి. అలానే ఉచిత మెటీరియల్ కోసం మన యాప్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.
Welcome to Harshit Institute. Today current affairs. These current affairs are very important regarding our examination point of view. The first one is Mumbai police to file on FIR against COX and King's Global CEO Peter Kerker. This is the first issue. Mumbai police economic offence wing has done its preliminary inquiry (PE) in the case regarding Peter Kerker, Global CEO and the other directors of COX, COX, yeah, COX, COX and Kings, COX and Kings. It is a one travel office, COX and Kings, COX and Kings, a travel services company for. It is a recently an FIR in the case will now be filed because it was misbehaved and mischieved the government sector banks. Peter Kerker, global CEO of the company, opened several branches of the company abroad and many entities. India-based Ezigo1.com is also one of his entity. Ezigo is an online travel services provided portal. Peter is accused of routing the monies from Cox and Kings, Ezigo and his other entities into at least 18 shell companies and shipping of that money abroad. Along with this, Peter is also accused of borrowing thousands of crores from various banks and then defaulting. Kerker borrowed 3,642 crores from Yes Bank also. Along with Yes Bank, he has defaulted a loan of SBI, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra and IndusInd Bank. So this is the first issue regarding this is the companies. The companies misbehavior and the borrowed 3,604 crores from S Bank and along with other banks and corrupted all these banks. Next, CIL introduces exclusive auction for coal importers. Kolkata Coal India Limited (CIL) on Friday said it has introduced a new category of a spot auction for importers only and aimed at replacing 150 million tons of the fuel sourced from abroad with a domestic supply. The coal produced under the special spot e-auction scheme 2020 for import substitution will be used for within the country. This move is to be bid to attain the government's thrust on reducing coal import dependency of the country under the Atmanirbhar plan. Coal imports of 150 million tons can be replaced with this new scheme. A Coal India official said this one. Next one, PM Modi's speech at ECOSOC. In New Delhi, path to achieve sustainable peace and sustainability in through multilateralism, PM Narendra Modi said in his speech at the high-level segment of the United Nations Economic and Social Council session. The session was attended by Prime Minister of Norway and UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. In his 15 minutes addresses around theme multilateralism, PM highlighted various initiatives by the Indian government to fight COVID-19 and towards ensuring an all-inclusive development. We are supporting other developing countries in meeting their sustainable development goals, SDG, PM told the virtual meeting. Our Housing for All program will ensure that every Indian will have a safe and secure roof over their head by the 2022 when India completes 25 years an independence nation is it. Modi stressed that from the very beginning, India has actively supported the UN's United Nations development work and the ECOSOC. The first president of ECOSOC was an Indian. India has also contributed to shaping the ECOSOC agenda, he said. This year's theme for the high-level segment of ECOSOC was multilateralism after COVID-19. What kind of UNO do we need at the 20th anniversary? So he was announced recently. He addressed in the virtual meeting. Next one, CM KCR announced midday meal scheme to students of government junior and degree colleges. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao announced that from this academic year, midday meal would be served to the students of government junior and degree colleges in the state. He said the students from these colleges are going back during the lunchtime, never to return again in the afternoon. This in turn increasing the dropout rate in the government junior and degree colleges. So he said it was decided to give a nutritious midday meal for the students for their health and to prevent the dropouts. So it was announced by our Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao recently. Next, another important issue. India signs MOU. MOU means Memorandum of Understanding to store strategic reserve of petroleum, the US. In July 17, 2020, India and the United States signed Memorandum of Understanding to be discussion on storage petroleum reserves in the US soil. A virtual US-India's strategic energy partnership minister was held between the Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, and Energy Secretary of US, Don Bowlett. Highlights of this matter, the countries signed Memorandum of Understanding to begin discussion on cooperation and maintenance of a strategic petroleum reserves. This includes exchange of information and the best practices as well. Next, another important thing, India launches 5 portal to boost Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. On July 17, 2020, Government of India announced that 5 portals are being developed by different organizations to promote innovation in India. This will help boost Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Highlights. What are the highlights in this regarding this matter? The portal being developed are for specific sectors and are BHEL for power sector, CMFTI for manufacturing sector, HMT for mechanic tools, ICAT and AI for automotive sector. About the portals were launched to bring the problem solved and the solution seekers together. The portal will focus on academia, industry, research institute and startups and experts. Next, another important things. These are the most important regarding our current affairs part. These are very, very important regarding our examination point of view also. Next, another important things. RBI approves reappointment of Shyam Srinivasan as a MD and CEO of Federal Bank till September 22, 2021. Next, PM SVA Nidhi, PM Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi app launched by Housing and Urban Affairs Minister to enable micro credit facility for street vendors and it will be given their doorsteps. Praveen Siddhartha appointed private secretary to President Ramnath Kovind. Very, very important. Praveen Siddhartha is appointed as a private secretary to the President of India of Ramnath Kovind. ARCI Hyderabad and Vant Technologies Noida co-developed Kritiscan ultraviolet baggage disinfection system for use in airports, railways and bus stations. Next, another important thing is Supreme Court extended by 3 months the tenure of TDSAT. TDSAT means Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal Chairperson Justice Siva Kriti Singh. So these are the important issues. You have to remember all these things. These are very, very important in our examination point of view. Thank you. Thank you very much.